Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Panasonic Robot and Welding Test Center. Panasonic Robot and Welding provides several types of robot arc welding system solutions. One of these solutions we would like to introduce you today. This solution you can see on the backside is the PAC-TT cell solution. PAC-TT means PA for Panasonic arc welding, C for the connected series, TT for a table solution, as you can see in the background. The system consists of a few core components. One of the core components is our Panasonic TM1400 WG3 Taurus robot system. Taurus technology is very unique in the market because this technology combines the robot controller and the power source controller controlled by one CPU, which enhance the productivity and the possibilities for your welding functionalities. Here at the front side is the main area of the operator. As you can see, on the left side we have a station A and the right side we have station B of the two-station system. The right side now is open for unloading or loading operation of the operator. On the left side we can see the sliding door, which is now closed because of operation behind the sliding door. This sliding door provides the protection for the operator against the arc and the movement of the robot during the operation. The complete cell is a full closed housing with a fume extraction and the sandwich floor for quite easy and quick installation on site. To operate with the system, we have on the right and even on the left side the same operating panel where we can start the activities and the welding program. Here on the right side we see the service door, the teach pendant which will be used to program the welding programs, the TP bracket to keep the TP secured on the welding cell, and the control cabinet, which includes a PLC in all safety functionalities to control the cell. As mentioned before, all Panasonic robot and welding solution consisting of the Taurus technology. The Taurus technology is a core to enhance your welding application. As you can see here, we have the power source on this area and we have the control cabinet for the robot on this position. Both parts are controlled by one CPU, which creating a unique functionality for your welding application. Based on decades of experience, we designed such kind of welding cells under consideration of easy operation and efficient production. The Taurus technology enhances us as a core technology to build up different applications with different material thicknesses to give you the widest range of possible application for your production. This PAC-TT cell, as you can see here, is one example of one configuration we can provide to you. We have much more possibilities to bring different options to the systems to configure the system as you're demanding for your production use. Please contact us.
Panasonic Industry.